All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Steve Jones. I'm from the MITRE Corporation. What I wanted to show very quickly is just a quick integration that we did with the OpenSensorHub platform. One of the things that we've learned, and I mentioned about yesterday in our discussions and demonstrations of GeoQ, was we'd really like the ability to bring in some of the Internet of Things, big data type of items into the GeoQ application platform. We realize that there's a number of videos, of sensors, of a lot of different items that are available for display and will provide value into this type of environment. So what we did is we had a quick patio hack yesterday with some of the folks from Sensia Software, Alex, Robin, and we discussed ways of bringing in and enhancing the ability of GeoQ to show some of this information. OpenSensorHub, if you're not aware, allows you to bring in Internet of Things type of data, videos, body cameras, T-shirt sensors, a lot of information, and web enables it, so it allows you to display and share out this information to other forms of applications. So what we did is we implemented a leaflet plugin that will allow us to now attach to an OpenSensorHub application using a WebSocket, some tech speak, but essentially it's providing a direct connection to the OpenSensorHub application. It'll allow us then to perform a search within a certain area, discover the items, maybe traffic cameras, maybe cruiser cameras or other items within that area, and start displaying them. Unfortunately, my mouse doesn't seem to be working, but if I were to click on that particular icon, it would show you the video that's currently being streamed from the Sensor Hub. So that information was captured and is available for display. That's it.
Cool. Questions from the judges?
So do you expect, I saw this yesterday, so do you expect to do this exercise or this, the first responders, are they doing it on the fly or is it a pre-loaded information for them? So when there's an emergency,
The first responders are really providing are sort of your eyes in the field. They have the abilities to start capturing what they see, what they're encountering out in the field. This is all information that can be used by an analyst, by a coordinator for particular activities to discover and sort of respond to different events that are occurring. Yes, sir.
Can you track multiple sensors at the same time?
Yes, that's what we're envisioning. This was a very quick first pass where we're just grabbing one sensor right now and displaying it on a time-based census. What we're envisioning is that we would have the ability to search across a particular geographic area, discover the elements that were within that area, and depending on their relationship to the particular activity, maybe we activate them or deactivate them to give you the exact information that you'd want in that particular event.
How are sensors protected? I mean, can anyone go in there and collect data from individual sensors?
And we actually had a little discussion of this because there is some information, especially if it's a police camera, that it may not be able to be shared across other individuals. So we think it makes sense to have some sort of protection mechanisms to allow only certified individuals or individuals with certain properties or on certain jobs, which we can designate within GeoQ, to have the ability to bring in these type of applications. The analyst then, determining on which information can be shared, maybe sets up some items within GeoQ that then can be shared across jobs to other organizations.
So could maybe a sensor provide information to multiple sources?
Yeah,
Could a police department have a specific requirement for specific information for police department?
yeah, depending on the shareability of the information. If it's allowed to be shared across a number of organizations, I certainly don't see why we couldn't do that.
So to go back registry value or whatever. So
Mhm,
you are putting
mhm.
a flag on or off.
Sure.
And you are sending it to multiple analysts or what have you. Do they get the lowest denominator, or they get according to what flags they could have turned on?
It's something that we're going to have to examine as far as the capabilities of OpenSensorHub. Ideally, I think if we can have it as a permission-based, then if you have the requisite permissions to view the information and it's relevant to your activities, certainly then it should be activated within your area. Okay, thanks. So again, as a quick demonstration, just wanted to show that there is a video associated with this particular feed. So being able to bring in the video as well, display it and the information. And this can be either forensically, like we're viewing a past clip here naturally, but also the Sensor Hub should also be able to give us real-time information. So you can imagine as the units are moving and our icon is showing our field of view, our position, location, and what they're seeing right now as part of their movement. Being able to associate all that information along with other social information, network feeds or so, it provides you a much clearer, much more comprehensive view then of the area.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Why is the data in France?
That's just where that particular clip was. So if you guys have some other data that
We'll take it.
yeah, exactly. We'll show that as well.